Have you ever wondered what the difference is between pressure and stress? Pressure is the challenges, responsibilities, and demands of life. So pressure is a neutral thing. It can bring out the best in us, or it can become the source of stress. Stress has been defined very clearly by the Health and Safety Executive. It's the adverse reaction that people have to excessive pressure, or other types of demands placed upon them. Because the manifestation of stress is always adverse, negative, and detrimental, it's never a good thing. Two people can be experiencing exactly the same amount of pressure. One of them may cope, and sadly the other person may suffer an adverse reaction to that pressure. This is because they have different amounts of resilience. If at any moment a person has more resilience than pressure, then they will experience well-being. However, if they have more pressure than resilience, they will sooner or later experience stress. This highlights just how valuable resilience is and why you need to invest in your own resilience and well-being. So remember to use the correct terminology when communicating about pressure or stress. This will help you think clearly and enable you to effectively address both issues with others.